Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today is wash day. As you can tell, I just got out the shower and I'm going to be showing you guys some new products I have been trying out for the past few weeks. They're actually from a brand called Flora Curl. Okay, so these are the three stylers I'm going to be using in this video. I have their curl activating lotion, and then I have their curl defining gel, which is this one, and I have their curl volumizing mousse. And I also do have a fourth product here. This is the twist and braid cream. I'm not going to be using this one in today's video. I'll probably use this the next time I do double dutch braids or something. I don't have a leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my Innate Life spray leave-in. I'm just going to be brushing that through my hair. And I am styling on soaking wet hair. Like, my hair is actually dripping on me and on the ground right now. So to start, I'm just going to section off my hair to apply the curl activator cream. Or not the curl activator cream, what's this called? This is called the curl activating lotion. So I'm going to separate my hair into probably 3 sections to apply that. And I definitely will be showing you guys like day 2 at least, probably day 3 as well, because I definitely will need a refresh, and you guys will see why once my hair is styled and completely dry. So basically these are really lightweight products, and this whole line is a sweet hibiscus line. So I'm just putting a few pumps of that in my hand, and I'm gonna rake that through my hair. So yeah, I'm just pumping that in my hand and then raking that through my hair. I think this curl activator lotion has hibiscus and also marshmallow. I don't know if I just don't know what hibiscus smells like, but to me they smell like rose water, which I personally do not like the smell of, especially when it's super strong. But luckily, once my hair is dry and like I'm done styling, the smell doesn't stay on my hair, which is perfect, because if it did, I probably wouldn't be able to use these. But I was looking through the ingredients and I don't see rose water. Oh, there's rosemary. Rosemary is actually really good for hair growth. I heard rosemary oil is really good for hair growth. But anyway, I'm just going to rake this through. Okay, so I just finished putting the curl activator lotion, or the curl activating lotion, in my hair. It is super lightweight, like I mentioned. I don't know, for some reason it feels like I'm not putting enough product in my hair, so I just keep going in and going in. But they are super lightweight, so you can be a little bit more heavy-handed, I guess, and not have to worry about your hair being weighed down. But next I'm gonna go in with the curl defining gel, also from the sweet hibiscus line. And this one does have a marshmallow root as well, and hibiscus botanicals to define and shape your curls. And all of these products are for all curl types. So I'm gonna go in and separate my curls once again. And this is what it looks like. It almost has like a brownish tint to it. And this is what it looks like in the bottle. So yeah, just a little close up, but I'm gonna go in and rake that through my hair and then scrunch. It also is like really watery. Okay, so I applied all the gel in my hair. Well, not all the gel, but I applied the gel in my hair. I scrunched it in, and lastly I'm gonna go in with my foam. I have been loving foam in my routine, so I'm just gonna put some foam on top of this to kind of finish it off. And yeah, so I'm just going to shake that up before I use it. And this also has hibiscus and marshmallow, and of course it's volumizing and helps to lift your curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a few pumps. I think that's good. And I'm gonna like put it over my head and then scrunch like this. I guess glaze it, and then scrunch. So all the products are in my hair, and I'm actually gonna let my hair air dry. I love the fact that because these are lightweight, my hair takes less time to dry. So whenever I use these products, I usually just end up air drying. So I'll get back to you guys once my hair is completely dry to finish off day number 1. Hey guys, so it's actually the next morning. If you can't tell, it's pretty early. It's really like 6 o'clock in the morning. 6:42. But I am getting ready for work right now. This is technically still day 1 because I did wash my hair late last night and I ended up falling asleep. That's why I didn't show you guys when it dried. But I just put my hair up in a bonnet to go to bed. I do have like a slight cast, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this Bread Beauty hair oil in my hands and kind of run my fingers through my hair and separate any big clumps that I have. This stuff smells so good. I'm just gonna glide it over my hair and then separate. And I definitely don't have like huge clumps of curls, but I have like some that are like this that I like to separate. I hate my voice in the morning. So I think I'm gonna get back on here and show you guys what my hair is looking like this afternoon as well, because it'll definitely look a little different in the next 8 to 10 hours. Okay, so this is day number 1, the morning of day number 1. You guys can see I have lots of volume. So one thing I really do love about this line is that my hair gets so much volume, especially on day 1. It doesn't look too bad. Like, it looks pretty defined right now, and I like the way that it looks. But by tomorrow, I feel like my curls won't look as defined because I don't have any type of hold in my hair. My hair is super soft. It feels nice and fluffy. Honestly, it kind of feels like I don't have much product or anything in my hair. I feel like these would be really good products to gravitate towards if you want to give your hair a little bit of a break, like from product buildup or just using, I don't know, like harsh products in your hair. Not only are they natural, but they're super lightweight, so I just feel like it kind of gives your hair a few days to breathe almost. But anyway, I'll be back later on to give you guys, I guess, an afternoon update. Okay, so I just got back from work, and this is what my hair is looking like at the end of the day. I haven't done anything to it since I used the oil and fluffed it out a little bit this morning. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. You guys can see it's a little bit fuzzy. I have some frizz, and here is a close-up of my curls. I feel like I have, you know, some pretty good definition, but I'm definitely dealing with a lot of frizz and just like fuzziness all around. So yeah, so overall it really doesn't look that bad. I definitely do have a lot of fuzziness, but I'm really liking the volume that I get with these products. I definitely get back on here tomorrow morning to show you guys day 2, technically day 3. I don't even know what to call these days. But yeah, I am positive I'm gonna need to refresh my hair if I want to leave it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh using the volumizing foam once again. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so I'm back for day 2 hair update, and this is what my hair is looking like as soon as I took it out the bonnet. Yesterday I did show you guys that my hair was getting pretty frizzy, and then for the rest of the day I just had my hair up in a pineapple, and then I did sleep with my satin bonnet. So yeah, this is what my hair is kind of looking like up close compared to what my hair normally looks like with the normal products that I use. I definitely am losing some of my curl definition, and obviously I have way more frizz than normal. It kind of looks okay, but at the same time it looks like I do have crazy bedhead hair. But I am going to refresh using the curl volumizing foam that I used earlier to style my hair, and this will just help redefine some of my curls as well as tame some of this frizz. So first things first, I'm going to split my hair in half, kind of separating the top portion of my hair. And before I go in with the foam, I'm just going to be using some water to dampen my hair just a little bit. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the foam and start applying that to my hair. I'm going to scrunch it through. So this is what my hair is looking like after that little refresher. Foam's honestly one of my favorite products to refresh with because it is a lightweight product, so you don't have a lot of drying time, and it always just helps to bring your curls back to life very nicely. I do still have a little bit of frizz, but some of my curl definition definitely has returned. So overall, I would not recommend these products if you're somebody who likes like a super defined, long-lasting definition in your curls. This is not going to be the product line for you. On the other hand, if you do really enjoy that really soft and fluffy, kind of like careless, like carefree curl kind of look, these would definitely be a go-to for you. Also, I really like the fact that they're all natural, and I know that I'm putting healthy products and ingredients in my hair. But other than that, it really is just about your preference on how you want your hair to look and how long you want your hair to last. But if you're interested, I will leave them a link down in the description box so you guys can check them out. Also, check out some of my other curly hair videos. If you haven't seen my updated curly hair video, make sure you check that one out. You guys will see some of my favorite products that I've been loving for the past few months. So leave a comment letting me know, have you tried these products, or what other products in this brand do you think I should try out or would you recommend for my hair? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!